Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken slider with milk roll? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a recipe that's sure to impress at your next gathering. For our milk roll we'll need some basic ingredients, namely, bread flour, instant dry yeast, a pinch of salt, some sugar, warm milk, and of course unsalted butter at room temperature. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to get our hands dirty. Making the dough for our milk rolls is a piece of cake. To begin, we combine bread flour, instant dry yeast, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of sugar. To this we introduce warm milk, gradually stirring it into the mixture. This forms the foundation of our dough. Then we add a touch of room temperature unsalted butter. Kneading the dough is a crucial step. It's where our dough gets its elasticity and smooth texture. We knead until the dough becomes soft and supple, almost like a baby's skin. Once our dough is kneaded to perfection, it's time to let it rest. This step is called fermentation, and it's absolutely vital. During this time our dough is left alone to rise and double in size. This process gives our rolls their signature fluffy texture. Now, while our dough is fermenting, let's move on to the next exciting part: the chicken filling. The heart of our slider is this mouth-watering chicken burger. For this culinary delight, we're going to need chicken breast, fresh and ripe tomatoes, a crisp onion, and a blend of sauces and seasonings. We'll add a dash of soy sauce, a sprinkle of chili powder, a splash of cooking wine, and a dollop each of ketchup, honey mustard, and mayonnaise. Each ingredient plays its part in creating a symphony of flavors. With all these ingredients, we're ready to cook up a storm. Making this chicken burger is as easy as pie, so don't worry, let's dive right in. First, grab your chicken breast and slice it thinly. This will ensure that it cooks evenly and quickly. Once that's done, it's time to marinate. In a bowl, mix together some soy sauce, chili powder, and a splash of cooking wine. Add the chicken, give it a good mix, and let it sit for a while to soak up all those flavors. While our chicken is marinating, let's prepare the veggies. Slice a tomato and an onion into thin rings. These will give our burger a nice crunch and a burst of freshness. Now let's get cooking. Heat up a pan and sear the chicken on both sides until it's golden brown. Don't rush this step. We want to make sure our chicken is fully cooked and infused with flavor. Next, it's time to assemble our burger. On a plate, start with a milk roll, followed by a layer of honey mustard and mayonnaise. Then, place a slice of tomato, followed by a piece of chicken, and then a slice of onion. Top it off with a generous helping of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. The cheese will melt and create an irresistible, gooey layer that brings everything together. And voila! There you have it, a juicy and flavorful chicken burger ready to go inside our milk rolls. Now comes the moment of truth, assembling and baking our chicken sliders. Start by slicing the freshly baked milk rolls in half, revealing their soft, fluffy interior. On the bottom half, spread a generous dollop of honey mustard, then place your well-cooked chicken burger. Add a slice of juicy tomato and crisp onion for that refreshing crunch. Don't forget the cheese. A good mix of mozzarella and cheddar for that ooey gooey melt we all love. Top everything with the other half of the roll. Next, it's time for baking. Arrange your assembled sliders on a baking tray and pop them into a preheated oven. Bake until the cheese is beautifully melted and the rolls turn a deeper shade of golden brown. The aroma wafting through your kitchen will be nothing short of heavenly. Voila! Your perfect chicken slider with milk roll is ready to be devoured. There you have it, folks. We've journeyed together from a simple list of ingredients to a deliciously satisfying chicken slider with milk rolls. The soft, fluffy bread coupled with the juicy, flavorful chicken burger has led us to a truly mouth-watering experience. I guarantee you're in for a treat with this one. I hope you'll give this recipe a whirl and share your culinary adventures. Remember, good food is all about experimenting, so don't be afraid to try this at home and add your own twist to it. Happy cooking!